Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today I will give the exercise of chapter 7. Name of the chapter 7 is the conservation of plants and animals. 7. Conservation of plants and animals. Conservation of plants and animals. Conservation of plants and animals. First one is the MCQ. First one, for conservation of diversity, protected areas like dash 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 should be established. B. National parks, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. Second one, conservation means we have to use the resources wisely and judiciously. That is the B. We have to use the resources wisely and judiciously. Third one, when large forest areas are cut by humans, it results in D. All the above. Fourth one, the Wildlife Protection Act was passed by the Government of India in 1972. C. 1972. Fifth one, under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, protected areas like both A and B. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. Tiger resources. Seventh, 492 sanctuaries are there in India. This B, and seventh one C, sanctuaries. Eighth, species which are restricted to a particular geographical region are called the endemic species. Ninth, a data book which gives a list of plants growing in protected area is known as green data book. So this is all about multiple choice questions. Endemic species, this one is C, and green data book, this one is B. Now come to the second one, fill in the blanks. First one, wise and judicious use of resources is termed conservation. Second one, biodiversity includes plants, animals and microorganisms. And microorganisms. Third one, a place where animals are protected is called as sanctuaries. Sanctuaries. In a sanctuary, only animals are protected. Only animals are protected. A book in which information on endangered species is available is Red Data book. Red Data book. Now come to the true false. First one, conservation means preserving the environment. False. Second one, biodiversity includes diversity of animals. False. Extinct species are those which are present in small numbers. False. Next one, endangered species are those which are in danger of extinction. True. Fifth one, Red Data book gives a list of protected plants. False. Again you can see first one, multiple choice questions, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Second one, we have to use the resources wisely and judiciously. Third one, all the above. Fourth, 1972. Fifth, both A and B. Sixth, Uttarakhand tiger resources. Seventh, sanctuaries. Eighth, endemic species. Ninth, green data book. And now come to the fill in the blanks. Conservation, plants, animals and microorganisms. Sanctuaries, animals. Red Data book. True, false, 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 true and false. Now come to the differentiate between the following. Differentiate between the following. Differentiate between the following. First one, differentiate between the following. Differentiate between the following. Differentiate between the following. First one, flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. Second one, first one, flora and fauna. Flora means plants, fauna means animals, and this flora and fauna you have to write from page number 82. Flora and fauna, page number 82. Page number 82. Second one is the endangered and endemic species, page number 85. Page number 85. Page number 85. And third one, endangered and extinct species, from keywords and roundup. Keywords and roundup, page number 86. Page number 86. Fourth one, national parks and sanctuaries, page number 84. Page number 84. And 5, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves, page number 84. Page number 84. In differentiate between the following, flora and fauna, you have to write from page number 82. And second one is the endangered and endemic species, page number 85. And third one, endangered and extinct species, from keywords and roundup, page number 86. And fourth one, national parks and sanctuaries, page number 84. And sanctuaries and biosphere reserves, page number 84. Now come to the fifth one. Define the following. Define the following. Define the following. First one is the conservation. First one is the conservation. Conservation from keywords. From keywords, page number 86. You have to write from keywords, conservation. Then second one is the biodiversity. Biodiversity, page number 86. Page number 86 from keywords. Third one, deforestation. Deforestation. Page number 82. Deforestation, page number 82. Deforestation, page number 82. Deforestation you have to write from page number 82. Fourth one, biosphere. Biosphere from page number 83. Biosphere, page number 83. Biosphere you have to refer to page number 83. Reforestation. Reforestation. Reforestation, I will tell you the objective of reforestation. The objective of reforestation. The objective of reforestation is to regenerate. The objective of reforestation is to regenerate the destroyed forest. Regenerate the destroyed forests by planting new trees. Reforestation, the objective of reforestation is to regenerate the destroyed forest by planting new trees. So today I have given till define the following till fifth one. So multiple choice questions, no need of write in copy. Fill in the blanks, true, false, differentiate between the following and define the following. You have to write in copy.